All right, guys, we're going to talk about the introduction for our maximum overdrive or Saturday program double trouble lines. Make sure that you also reference the program flow video. It's about 2 minutes, and that will explain kind of the setup. Also reference your blueprint, and that other video will talk about how you're going to work the clients through the official program. So the formal introduction is going to sound a little something like this. Good morning, guys. How are we doing? All right. Well, it's Saturday. It is maximum overdrive. We are here today to focus on cardio. For today, we are going to be doing a midline steady state program. What that means is basically if you're out on the highway, it'd be like setting your speed at a cruise control of about 50 to 60 miles an hour. If you're looking at your wristwatch here, you're going to be somewhere today between 130 and 155 beats per minute. Otherwise, guys, we do not have wrist wear. If you're chatting to the person next to you, you're going to need to take a couple breaths between every word, but not so out of breath you're hugging your knees, all right? So we're definitely trying to settle into that midline steady state program. So guys, how we're gonna do that is we're gonna use our format today called double trouble. What does that mean? You will see there's 5 pieces of equipment out on the gym floor today. We are gonna get 2 exercises per piece of equipment, but we're gonna break it up into 2 separate rounds. So in round number 1, we will demo only 5 exercises, 1 exercise for each piece of equipment. When we get to the middle of our workout, we'll reintroduce 2 brand new exercises. But for the meantime, guys, what do you need to focus on? You're gonna do 2 sets at every single station. You're gonna do 25 seconds of work, followed by 10 seconds of rest, and then a second set, 25 seconds of work, and then you're gonna have 25 seconds to move to the next station. Notice that we have the big lines here. So when you finish your station, you're gonna move towards the logo wall, and when you finish the exercise closest to the logo wall, you have 25 seconds to get back to this wall over here to start in station 1. So we are gonna make laps like this. Now every round has 3 laps. You're gonna go through the line 3 times, all right? So guys, the other unique thing about this program today is we're gonna have a pre-exhaust. We're gonna focus on round 1, taking those 3 laps, and then we're gonna give you a break. In the middle of today's workout, we will then demo the 5 new exercises, right? Double trouble. We'll then repeat that pre-exhaust, do round 2, which is 3 more laps through the line, and then today we will have our traditional finisher. All right, making sense? Great job. All right, guys, they're gonna warm you up, and then we will introduce your exercises. And at this point then, you get them warmed up, and then you intro exercises 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, and you're off and running. All right, guys, this is the introduction for double trouble lines.